My Defend and Soothe Daily Antioxidant Sunscreen SPF 46 is a lightweight, oil-free emulsion sunscreen with mineral UV filters that provides essential daily protection from damaging UVA, UVB, and infrared light, and delivers an innovative blend of skin smoothing and restoring properties. 12% zinc oxide, 12% to prevent UV rays, as well as visible and infrared light from penetrating deep into the skin and harming skin cells. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring molecule that can hold its weight 1,000 times in water. It helps provide hydration, improves the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and improves skin texture and elasticity. Niacinamide is a derivative of vitamin B3. Its anti-inflammatory properties helps relieve blemishes and skin irritations, help boost skin metabolism to minimize fine lines and wrinkles, diminish hyperpigmentation, and combat free radicals. Knotweed extract is a flavonoid and antioxidant-rich plant extract derived from knotgrass. It has been shown to protect the skin from both UV and infrared light damage. Vitamin E provides powerful antioxidant protection against free radicals and sun damage to prevent premature aging of the skin. This universal tint masks minor imperfections for smooth, even, and beautifully radiant skin. Please visit nasifmdskincare.com to learn more.